It's my birthday! Riley! It's my birthday! I've been begging Riley all morning long to wish me happy birthday and nothing. You haven't said it yet. I love you.
Say it, Riley.
Say happy birthday! Shake! Come on, at least give me a shake. Jay also came in this morning blaring the Justin Bieber happy birthday song. A birthday tradition. Today I'm 25 years old. Which is crazy. I really don't feel like I'm 25. I still feel like I'm stuck at 22. 22 is where I feel stuck at. 25, halfway through my 20s, whereas Jason said technically not until I'm 26. I'm just really excited. Today's my birthday and we don't have a time plan, but I thought I'd vlog because I like having the memes. Look at this cute fam.
Hey, I really need you to wish her happy birthday. Okay, can you do that for me?
She doesn't really fight it either. She just stays there.
You
just
oh.
She lick you? Aww. Should we put Riley's party hat on? Party hat! Okay, wait, no, don't lay down. Let's sit up.
Okay, hey, sit up. Oh, I love you, Riley.
Is it my birthday, Riley? Are you feeling so festive? You love celebrating mom's birthday with party hats? We're gonna have to make a TikTok of you later. I'm 25 and I just got on TikTok, so I still am youthful, don't worry. Party hat is slow zoom. You know, open my gift. Love you too. Shall we, Ryan? Did she take it off? Did you take it off?
I didn't take it off. Right?
She took it off. We've got a rebellious one. Keep it on.
Yeah, big party. Party for your brother.
Party for me. Yep. Keep that face for our TikTok later. Yes! Oh! This is the one I wanted. You picked it out by yourself. I don't even know why I cleaned the toaster oven the other day. Shouldn't have even cleaned it.
I was laughing at you, but...
This is awesome. I got my air fryer. And this one is an air fryer and a toaster oven, which means that we can get rid of our other toaster oven because that one would randomly shut off. Yay! I can do my salmon in here. There's always salmon on the box. We just read our Bibles this morning and journaled, and now the main event. We're gonna fry some potatoes. Tray, lightly oiled, and now I'm gonna do 450 on air fry for how long?
Do 20 minutes. 15 to 25 minutes.
Then there's a little light. It's steaming up. What is this contraption? It's also smaller than our toaster oven, which is kind of nice. Takes up less space, but crazy. Look at it go. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see. You'll see when we pull them out, but they are literally turning golden brown. Jawaz is making our bacon on my new pan that he got me for Christmas. Just all the new kitchen stuff. We got this dish rack for Christmas, and then my grandma got me a soap thing for my birthday. So I asked for all home stuff.
Grown up, baby.
We're grown up. We're 25, Riley. Are we 25 or what?
Yes.
All right, are you guys ready to see this? What? Are you kidding me? Y'all, this is the best thing I've ever seen, ever, in my life. What? Oh my gosh, they're perfect. Daily dance from Riley. I am doing my birthday makeup really quickly because Jason has something planned, but I just applied the birthdaybalm.com because obvious reasons, and I did apply some foundation really quickly. I was just talking to Jason earlier while we were eating breakfast about how just grateful I am for this last year. I feel like this last year was so good, and obviously like circumstances were not perfect this year. I mean, it's been pretty wild, but I just am personally so grateful for this last year and the friends that we have in the community and Jason being home and just all of it. Like, I just feel so overwhelmed and so blessed, and I just am so happy that I got a whole nother year to do what I love and to share my life with y'all here on YouTube and on Instagram. I just feel so grateful because this is truly my dream job. Like, I really could not think of something that I would enjoy more than this, and so I just feel really full. I feel like there's nothing left this year that I wish would have happened or like that would have made it better. I truly feel so grateful and so content. And obviously you guys know, like, we have been really wanting a house, but I was talking to Jason, and like that want and that lack of having a house really doesn't even sort of affect how I feel about this year. Like, I'm not disappointed that we didn't get one while I was 24. I feel like the Lord has been so good to us, and that He's just surrounded us with such good people, and that He's given us a lot of wisdom for when it's the right time to purchase a house. I was thinking, like, last year I would have probably been a little bit bummed on not being in a home, but this year I just feel totally content here. Like, I truly just feel so happy with my surroundings, with where we live, and with how life is going right now. I just don't feel like I've missed out on anything. I don't feel like I should be somewhere at this age. I just feel content, and I feel like I'm right on track with where the Lord has me, and I don't feel like I am behind for once in my life. I feel like in the past I've always been comparing where I think I should be by the age when I get there, and I just think I'm exactly where the Lord has me, and I'm so just content. I don't know. I'm really happy with how this last year was, and I'm really looking forward to this next year because I do think we will get a house in the next year, and that's gonna be so special and in the Lord's timing. And I just think that this next year has a lot that will unfold and some pretty fun milestones. So I'm really excited for 25. I've always looked up to 25-year-olds as like people who were full adults and had their life together, and I definitely don't feel like I have my life together whatsoever, but I feel more confident than I ever have any other year of my life. I feel way more confident than I did when I was 22 or 23. I for once feel like I'm not like floundering, just like what's going on all the time. Like, I actually feel like I have some grounding, and honestly that is in the Lord, and that's been getting in the Word every single morning. We did Bible in the Year. We actually finished that on the 24th, which is crazy. So we are officially done and looking at what we want to do for the next year. I just feel so blessed, so happy, and I just feel so full. I feel so full this year. I really can't describe it any other way. I have also, side note, been loving this Milk Makeup blush. This is in the shade Work, and this is lip and cheek, but this is such a good shade. You guys just saw me apply that, and it looks amazing. So if you're looking for a good blush, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now using the fancy Charlotte Tilbury, what is this called? The Bejeweled Eyes Hypnosis palette. Fancy. Okay, I just finished my eyes. I had to do it off camera because I didn't have very good lighting over here, but now I'm going to finish off the look with a lipstick. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip color. You guys know I wear this all the time. This is the finished look, and I love it. It's my birthday look. I'm probably gonna switch out my earrings and put my rings on, but I think I want to curl my hair real quick. Hair is done. Now I'm gonna put on some leggings because we're gonna go on a quick little birthday walk. It's gonna be really quick because it's like 39 degrees out, but I really wanted to go on a walk today, so I'm gonna throw on a t-shirt and some leggings. So this is my walking outfit. I've got on this Madewell quarter zip with these fun quilted pockets. And then I finally got in my girlfriend collective leggings. I had ordered these in a size down because the shorts that I got from them were too big for me, so I decided to size down on these, and then they were way too small, so I had to return those, get my normal size. So these are true to size, I will say, and I really like them. They're super high-waisted, very flattering, and I finally have a pair of black leggings. So I'm gonna throw my tennis shoes on, go get Jason. He's been playing guitar, you probably can tell from the background noise. I almost forgot to show you guys my earrings. These are new from Missouri. They're 14 karat solid gold, and they're these really cool chains that loop the back of the ear. Okay, I went ahead and changed after a walk, and I put on my favorite sweater, which is this big collared sweater from H&M, my Everlane jeans that I literally wear every single day, and then my Everlane sock boots. Basically, Jay told me to be ready at 12:30, so I had to rush and put clothes on. He said that there's something that he's surprising me with, and I'm honestly really scared because surprises stress me out. Look who came to kidnap me! And they brought balloons! Riley! Happy birthday! Put her party hat on. Put her party hat on.
Oh my gosh.
Put her with. Come on, Riley.
Sit.
Yay!
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 Mom is 25!
Oh. Y'all are best.
It's the birthday girl's day. Woo, woo, woo.
They're taking me to lunch somewhere.
We're kidnapping you.
Woo! Happy birthday! Show us your bag.
Oh.
Your Christmas present from Cole. So cute. Rachel brought a party bag. Woo!
Is it good?
Woo!
Okay, go try it.
Yay!
Gosh, this
Birthday
time.
Birthday time.
This aioli is like... Gonna get a tie. Wait, I want the aioli.
Get the aioli.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. We've got avocado toast, club sandwich. What did you get?
This is whipped feta, but this is a salad.
More
Avocado toast.
Look what Jay did. You want to show us around? What do you got here?
Sure. So I've got this happy birthday sign, which is coming in pictures. So I got my Dollar Tree happy birthday sign, my Dollar Tree white streamers. The main problem was they only had red, white, and blue streamers, so I was like, I'm just gonna go white.
White is classy.
So we did white. We got a little
Tunnel.
thing you get to walk through every time you come in this room.
Love it.
Some trendy fans, more white streamers, another great happy birthday
You
sign.
went to the dollar store? That's amazing. Happy birthday.
Party crowns.
We're making pizzas. This one is Jason's pizza. We got Mary Helen's pizza. Looking cute. This is my pizza, very basic. So, as you guys saw, we made pizzas and played Quiplash. But I hope you guys enjoyed spending my 25th birthday with me. Jay put it all together. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And we will see you in the next one very soon. Bye!
Bye.